Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to place a spot market order on Bitget. First, open your browser and go to the Bitget website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the top menu and click on the Trade tab. From the drop-down, select Spot. This will open the spot trading interface. Now, in the trading panel, choose the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade. For example, click on BTC or USDC if you want to buy Bitcoin using USDC. Next, on the left-hand side under the Order panel, click on the Market tab. This allows you to buy or sell crypto at the current market price instantly. Then, select USDC as your preferred payment currency if it's not already selected. Now, enter the amount of USDC you want to spend. If you want to manage your risk, check the box for TP or SL, take profit or stop loss. Then, enter the take profit percentage and stop loss percentage based on how much profit you want to take or loss you want to avoid. Finally, click on the Buy BTC button to confirm and place your spot market order. Your crypto will be purchased instantly at the best available market price. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.